Hi friends, welcome to another video of Karen's World. Today I'm going to make a special cake called ChocOreo Cake that I made for my dad on Father's Day and he really liked it. So I thought that I could share my recipe to you guys as well. To make this yummy cake, you only need a few ingredients. So basically you need two family formats of Oreos. So I've taken 56 Oreos totally, i.e. 4 original packets of Oreos. 2 bars of dairy milk. So I've taken 200 grams of dairy milks, and I don't know if I will use all of them. So I'll tell you guys that at that stage, when I reach that stage. And you need 2 cups of milk and a teaspoon of baking soda. So the first step is to grind the Oreos. You want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay. So this. And you take 1 packet.
Okay.
Take 1 packet.
Mine stucky. Fully.
There.
Okay.
Okay. Put as much as you can. Very good. Okay, we've done 1 packet of our family pack. One of our family packs. Now let's grind it. So we put it here, and then here, and we've now grinded 1 batch of our Oreos. Now let's put it into our bowl.
Now grind it.
We've grinded it well, and we need to grind 4 of our batches because we have 4 original packets of Oreos, i.e. 56 Oreos. Okay, let's put the next batch on. There, and yes. So friends, if you're only using 1 family pack of Oreos, i.e. 2 original packets of Oreos, you'll only need 3/4 of a 200 gram bar of dairy milk or any other type of chocolate, and then 1 cup of milk and half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now let's grind our last batch of Oreos. If you were to use 1 family pack of Oreos, and you should cook the cake for about 30 minutes at around 180 degrees Celsius.
Now grind it.
It's been grinded very well.
Not grind it very well. Grind it.
Okay. The next step is to add 2 cups of milk to our grinded Oreos. So let's do it. We've got a measuring cup that measures out 1 cup.
2 cups.
But we need 2 cups. Okay. And then we just pour it down onto the Oreos.
Pour down.
Next one, last batch of milk.
1 cup of.
And pour it down.
Pour it out with the baking soda.
Okay. The third step is to add 1 teaspoon of baking soda into the mixture. So let's add 1 teaspoon. Okay. And let's add it. Yes, it's been added. Mix it really nice. Get that really thick texture out of this. It's already getting thicker.
Make brown.
Yes, it's meant to be like a dark color because of the Oreos. You mix it thoroughly. Yes, as you can see, See, we're getting that really thick. It's getting thicker every time I'm mixing.
Yeah.
And if you get chunks of Oreo inside your whisker, just like tap it, everything will go out. See, it's getting thicker. And what you are aiming for now is no lumps in your batter, just thick gooey mixture. See, you can't realize really that you've added milk to it. See, we still got chunks of Oreo.
Nice soft. Just like dark brown. Now darker. Although that biscuit dark. These sides is brown. This side is red.
Now let's use a spatula to get all the batter outside of the bowl to get mixed nice. See, our batter is now getting really thick. And you should form those marks when you turn around. See, you should get all of the batter around. All the batter. So friends, this is the consistency that we need. Thick, gooey mixture. Like this.
It's soft.
No lump should be in it. Every single chunk of Oreo should be dissolved into the batter.
Make it soft.
For now, I've only taken 1.5 chunks of chocolate, but maybe I need the other half. As my chocolate was too hard, I need to put it into the microwave for 5 seconds. Come on. So this is the final step. I pour half of the batter into the cake pan, and then I put my chocolate on top of the batter, and then I put the rest on top of the chocolate. So let's do it. So about half. So the next step is to add our dairy milk into the batter, and what we're aiming for is to put the chocolate chunks in the middle of the batter. The chocolate should not be touching the side of the cake pan. So I've got some long pieces of chocolate, so we can just cut it in half, and then we just put it in here, and do that for all the long pieces of chocolate that you have. It's like here. It doesn't matter like what order, but it would just be best to put it neatly. And then, yes, this is a long piece. Cut it in half. Just put it in again. And here. I think this is a bit too long, so we can also put this here. Also here. And then here, this looks fine. Okay, should not be touching the side. So making wise, like, see, this is a big chunk. I don't think we need that much for our batter. So, yes. So as I said, we were like aiming to use 400 grams of chocolate, but I thought it was too much. So we didn't need this much. Now I'm going to pour the rest of the batter on top of the chocolate chunks. Pour it nicely. Wow. The chocolate should not be visible in the cake. Tap it a little bit so like all the air bubbles go. You can see some air bubbles were forming in my cake. Here. Okay, that should be enough. So friends, I have preheated my oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. And I'm going to put my cake batter into the oven for 1 hour. So friends, the cake that I made today took me actually 1 hour to be fully cooked. So what you guys should do is just check your cake and take it out of the oven when you reach 45 minutes. So friends, our yummy cake is now ready, all cooked, all done, nothing undercooked, nothing overcooked, all ready, and it's cooled down enough. Now let's have a look and see what's going on. See where the dairy milk is. Oop, I'm seeing my knife is getting messy. I don't really know. It's really delicate. Wow. Lava. Total lava in the cake. Wow.
Pikachu.
Lava. Now let's have a taste of our cake. Take a spoon.
Oh, sticky.
Yeah.
Nice taste.
So good. So soft. I'm not feeling any hardness in it. Just the crust. So guys, this cake is really easy to make at home and you should all try it. And please leave a like on my video and also subscribe to my channel, Karen's World. Bye!